If you want to keep everything search running smoothly, updating it is important. Updates bring better performance, bug fixes, and improved indexing speed. In this guide, I'll show you how to check your version, update everything safely, and make sure it's always up to date. First, open Everything Search. Then click Help from the top menu and select About Everything. Here you can see your current version number, which helps you know if an update is needed. Next, open your browser and go to the official VoidTools website. This is the only safe place to download everything updates. Avoid third-party sites to prevent installing outdated or unsafe versions. On the Downloads page, look for the latest stable version of everything. Click the download button that matches your system, usually 64-bit for most modern Windows computers. The file will download in just a few seconds. Before installing the update, make sure everything is completely closed. Check the system tray near the clock and exit the app if it is still running. This helps avoid installation errors. Now open the downloaded file and run the installer. Follow the setup steps and keep the recommended settings selected. In most cases, you can just click Next, and install without changing anything. After installation finishes, open everything again. It will automatically use the updated version. If needed, restart your computer to make sure all background services are refreshed properly. To confirm everything is updated, go back to Help and About Everything again. Check that the version number matches the latest release on the website. If it does, you're all set. And that's how to update everything search in 2026. Just download the latest version from the official website, install it, and you're good to go. Simple, quick, and keeps everything running smoothly.